we love it when the wild. Turn up the volume, raise up seduction. All of the covering part get deduction. I am no weak heart, I love the action. Everything she do done grip me like traction. This girl so sweet, she just too damn sweet. Jungle fever and suburban heat. I feel like I'm on Bourbon Street. She make me ball. Feel like I'm in a red light district.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. I'm sure you guys can already tell by the title. I am going to be doing an initial unboxing and impressions video on some bundles that I got from Yummy Extensions. But before we get into the video, you guys know what you have to do. You have to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for post notifications, and then if you like the video, just like the video. So let's get right into it. So I picked up some bundles from Yummy Extensions because they were on sale. Now in this package I also... my cousin, I should say, got some bundles as well. So I'm going to just take a look at one of her bundles. So as I mentioned, she's more of a curly girl, so she got some curly bundles from them. So I'm just going to look over her bundles and then look over mine. So they come in these little satin bags, which are pretty cute. I'm sure there's a decent amount of little bags in here because I got 8 bundles altogether. So I got their Raw Lao. Not sure what that is. And I got them in 24 inches, and then she got their, oh, well, this makes it easy for you to tell them apart. So I'm assuming these are hers because these are like 5 little bags and mine are 3 little bags of these. So definitely makes it easy to tell apart. I'm going to open up one of hers. I did ask her permission because she's like me, a little bit picky when it comes to hair. So she got their, now you guys know I'm bad when it comes to this. Their deep curl, yeah, I want to say it's a deep curl. I'm going to put it up here or here. Got their deep curl. She got it in 28 inches because she is looking for like some booty length hair and curls. She's a little bit shorter than I am. I'm 5'11", she's 5'6". So very, very pretty. I think she might get the length she's going for. I'm so excited. She was the one who was actually wearing this wig when I was in Trinidad. Very nice, and I don't want to say it's full, but it's a lot fuller than I expected for a 28-inch bundle. I am going to measure it from the back of... the hair got in my way. I'm going to mention it from the back of my neck. I think she's going to get booty length with this. That's what she's going for. But yes, it measures the same as my 26-inch wig that I got from Luxury Tresses by Fab, or Terry Styles, as you guys may know her on Instagram. I don't want to like fan it out because it's not my bundle, but definitely really, really soft, very nice wefts. But again, I don't want to fan it out because it's not my bundle. I hope that I get a picture of it when she's done styling this so we can see what those curls look like. But definitely really, really pretty. And I'm surprised by how long the bundle itself actually looks for the texture of hair that she got. Because you know when you do curly hair, of course, it's going to look a little bit shorter, but I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm just going to put her bundle back in this little baggie here. So Yummy Extensions is actually going to be having, if you guys follow them on Instagram, they're having a pop-up shop, and they're doing it in I think like 5 or 6 cities. So since I live in Pennsylvania and New York is, you know, a stone's throw away, I'm going to their one in New York. So hopefully I'm going to be able to vlog that for you guys. They mentioned they're going to have some really great prices. Now I intend to do an install with this bundle. I know, very different for me. Normally when I buy hair hair or bundles, it's the intention for it to be a wig. But I figured I need to give you guys a better review on the hair itself. And when I say a better review, I mean like if I wear it long term, that I'm able to tell you guys, you know, how it holds up over time and if it's really worth buying. So I found this guy on Instagram. I have an appointment set for May. So a month and some change, oh well, yeah, a month and some change from now, I will be going to do that hair appointment, and I'm a little scared because I've never had a frontal installed. I barely have anyone touch my hair because a few years ago I had an accident and all my hair fell out and I had to cut it all off. So I just try to stick to wigs, so pray for me. But yes, let me just get into the Raw Lao. Ooh. It feels... Now I know they mentioned that their raw hair is more, there's more maintenance when it comes to raw hair, but I got it in, I guess, like a body wave texture. It feels a little tangled. It smells decent. but it feels, you guys can see, like I'm trying to run my hand through it and it's getting... Now, I'm not sure if that's happening because of how it was like bunched up like in the little baggie. But the bundle's definitely thick-ish. Same thickness as hers, but I got mine again in a 24-inch. But I'm just running my fingers through it just to, you know, just to see. I hope this hair turns out good. I saw it on Lyra Galore. I apologize. I have an accent, so sometimes it's hard for me to enunciate certain words. But I saw this on Lyra Galore on Instagram, and I was like, oh, I really love how that looks. My intention is actually to style it the way she has it styled. This is supposed to be their raw hair. Looks really dark. We'll see. Let me open up the rest of these bags and see if I get the same impressions. Oh, this one feels softer. It feels a little bit softer, but you know, hopefully that's just how it feels for now. What I'm probably going to end up doing is I'm going to co-wash it. I'll actually probably end up using the True Indian hair care products because I did mention I like how it felt in terms of the conditioner. But why is this, I don't know, like, I feel like it's a little tough to run my hands through it. But yes, so they're having a pop-up shop in Brooklyn on May 5th, and I am actually going to be attending that. Hopefully I'm going to be able to vlog that for you guys. I apologize. I know I'm a little bit distracted. I just thought this hair was going to feel a little bit softer. Just saying. But yes, so hopefully during that pop-up sale, I will buy a frontal because I didn't buy one yet because I'm like, oh, well, maybe their frontals will go on sale. And then a few days after I bought this hair, they actually said that they don't put their frontals on sale because if they did, they wouldn't be able to keep them in stock. But they're supposed to be having some specials for this pop-up shop, so hopefully this pop-up shop is a little bit different from their regular pricing when they do it online. And I know it kind of doesn't make any sense if I just bought the frontal instead of paying to go to New York and paying to attend this event. I'd probably save more money than just going there to get it, but I'm hoping to see some interesting things at this event. And I'll maybe also touch some of their wigs and some of their other textures just to see how it feels. And again, hopefully I'm going to be able to vlog that for you guys. I don't know. I don't want to say I'm a little bit skeptical because I know it's raw hair. But like, why does it feel like this? It doesn't feel terrible, but you know, I wanted it to feel softer. But it is definitely really, really full. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be so excited for this install. I'm hoping once I have it installed in my head, it's a little bit different. I am eventually going to be making a wig out of this to wear. Just because, you know, wigs are me and this install is going to cost your girl $300. I know. But I like the way his pictures and his videos look. The hairline is very natural. You don't have to do baby hair because you guys know I'm not a baby hair person. So yeah, this is going to be a wig when we're done. So when I unpackaged the hair, I got so excited about the hair that I forgot that they actually included a few cards in there. So they have hair care instructions depending on what texture hair you got. In addition to this little card that says, "Hello beautiful, you are going to be the talk of the party with your new hair extensions. Don't forget to send us your selfies for a chance to be featured on our social media platforms. XOXO yummy." So we'll see. Hopefully I get featured when I get this install. But yes, I will definitely keep you guys. Okay, so I'm back. I decided to just add a little bit more to this filming. What I did was I went off camera and I combed out the hair. I really want to give it a chance because everyone is saying, well, you know, it's really, really good. And as I mentioned before, they did say that their raw hair, I don't want to say is more maintenance, so maybe between that and then just the way it was packaged, had the hair feeling, I don't want to say like it was tangled, but it had the hair feeling like it was a little bit tangled. As you guys saw, it was a little hard to run my hands through it. In addition to that, when I'm comparing it to the deep curl hair that my cousin got, that one felt a little bit softer. So when I touched that one first and then I touched this one after, I'm like, they should feel about the same, and they don't. So with that said, I am definitely going to be giving this a chance. I will get it installed, as expensive as it's going to be. I will get it installed and hopefully, you know, my reviews and my thoughts are going to be the same as everyone else's on social media, that they have some really, really good bundles. So definitely, like I said, stay tuned for that. So as soon as I get that done, I will be vlogging that for you guys and uploading that to my channel, but that's probably not going to happen until mid-May, late May. That's when my appointment is, because he's booked and busy. How you doing? But yes, so that's my thoughts on that. So definitely, like I said, stay tuned for that video on that install. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.